today we're going to talk about the technology transformation from code to low code to no code. It accelerates speed, gives you an innovation and efficiency with AI. In this use case, we are going to develop a GenAI Test Case Generator, which would be a no-code, customized ChatGPT AI bot. Now let's talk about the technology evolution or transformation we have seen. We have all seen from code to low code to no code. In this AI era, we all are talking AI is going to take the coding away. We will see. But with that, one thing is sure that we are going to get the speed, innovation, and more to do. Now, let's leverage AI and NLP, natural language processing, for test case generation. We, in the QA world, spend most of our time in analyzing user stories and writing manual test cases. Why to do that? Let's leverage AI and natural language processing prompts to generate test cases. We're going to follow these steps. We're going to build a customized ChatGPT and configure to create test cases. Utilizes AI-driven natural language processing to prompt the user stories and hit enter. So our GenAI Test Case Generator AI bot will produce or generate test cases based on the user story prompt. No more manual effort. This how our AI bot GenAI Test Case Generator will look like. In the upcoming video, I will show quick steps how to configure a customized ChatGPT bot to make your own GenAI Test Case Generator from user stories. No more manual efforts. Happy testing, innovate more. Thank you. All right. So now we have GenAI Test Case Generator, customized ChatGPT bot. This bot is being configured and with the instructions given to this to generate test cases based on the requirement user story. We don't even have to give the prompt as an instruction. So this is a customized ChatGPT. We can just prompt a user story. What to do with that user story is already being given instruction being given to this ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm going to give a user story, a feature, account opening mandatory SSN. A customer want to receive a clear notification if customer miss providing the SSN field while opening an account opening process. Now, this is a very basic scenario or a user story where a user is trying to open a bank account and miss to provide the information for the social security number. System should give back a message and should not allow opening an account on that. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna click enter here. And as you can see, this GenAI Test Case Generator AI bot automatically started generating test cases. Here are the 5 test cases, including positive and negative scenario. Now, these are the instructions given to this chat bot when this was configured. Okay, I will show that in a separate different recording based on how many interested people are there. Now let's go to the test case. Test case for SSN validation on account opening page. As you can see, it has created a test case 1, validate error message when SSN is missing. It's generating the test case ID, test case SSN 001. Precondition, user is on account opening page, a prerequisite condition for a test case. And the test steps, navigate to account opening page, fill in all required field except the SSN field and click on submit button. Mentioning the expected result as well. A clear error message, social security number is required, should be displayed. The account should not be created. The user should remain on account page. This is very great that account should not be created, because sometimes we have seen, even though we get an error message that social security number is required, still as a bug, some applications go ahead and create your account even though they give you the message, right? So that's what it's verifying. I really like this one. The account should not be created because there is a message and users should remain on the opening page. I can see a very much well elaborated test case written here. The first one, I'm pretty impressed by this. Similarly, we have another test cases. I'm not going to go through each of these as of now. You can later as well. Okay, let's go down. As I mentioned, I instructed or configured this customized ChatGPT to generate in a downloadable CSV file as well. So it's saying now I generate a downloadable CSV file. Let's see how well the CSV file is. I'm going to click on this downloadable link, opening the file here. Okay, I'm just going to expand these columns. Let's see. And let's see, I'm gonna expand the column widthwise as well. Okay, give me 1 sec. All right, let's see what happens here. So as you can see, all this manual test case generation has been done in a CSV. Test case number, test case ID, test scenario, precondition, test steps, expected result. Pretty much which a manual tester do while in the requirement gathering phase in the test prep. Pretty much very well defined, a clear format. Now, if we want this format to be enhanced and more complex, more field like date created, when this execution pass or test data, we can do all those stuff while we are configuring our customized ChatGPT. In this video, I just wanted to show you how beautifully it is creating a manual test case. I still remember in my early days, I used to spend most of my working days in writing and typing the manual test cases, reading the user stories, understanding it, and writing it. Most of the efforts. Now the testers, rather than reading and typing, they can do much more innovative things to test the applications. AI is not replacing anyone. It is giving you the chance to make use of your time and do some innovative things. All right. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time.